what is FP&A? So to deconstruct this term FP&A, I can divide this into two broad parts. One is financial planning and the other one is financial analysis. Now, financial planning is all about future-looking aspect of FP&A. So where some of the activities are like preparing the business plan, preparing the budgets for the upcoming financial year, preparing the rolling forecast for the upcoming quarters. All this is involved in the future-looking section of FP&A, which is financial planning. And then we have financial analysis. Financial analysis is all about analyzing the ongoing performance of the business, where we're looking at activities like variance analysis, management commentaries, doing various types of analysis to support decision making. So this is what is financial analysis. FP&A is not just about budgeting and forecasting. So one needs to understand that there could be a host of variety of different analysis that one needs to do for you to be successful at FP&A roles. And we'll cover some of the examples as and when we progress in the training. But these are the two broad parts that can divide FP&A roles into. Now, what are some of the main activities carried out by FP&A professionals? Now, there could be dozens of small set of activities carried out by FP&A professionals. These are the three broad categories. One is budgeting, forecasting, and management reporting. Now, we'll cover each of them step by step. We have a different module on budgeting. We have a module on forecasting. We have module on management commentaries. So we'll cover all of these in depth. But broadly, these are the four activities that you will find in many organizations, no matter, small, medium, large. You will find one or the other variations or some of the other variations of these four activities. So budgeting is all about preparing your annual projections for the upcoming financial year. Forecasting is tracking your ongoing performance and updating the actual performance, updating the performance or the estimated performance for the upcoming financial periods or months or quarters, as the case may be. Variance analysis and profitability analysis are not something which are done as a standalone activity, but they are more part of your management commentaries, where you analyze different types of variances: actual versus budget, actual versus forecast, current month versus previous month, current quarter versus previous quarter, and then finally come in with your commentaries, which will state business reasons for these. Profitability analysis is depending on how your company is structured. Some companies could be structured business unit wise, some companies will be structured branch wise, product wise, territory wise. So again, you will do various types of profitability analysis, and we'll cover some of the examples and see how it is computed and what are some of the dynamics at play when you're looking at profitability analysis. All of those things we'll cover as and when we progress in this training.